Hello and welcome to this video on the disasters caused by rising global temperatures. As you may know, the Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate. And this is having a profound impact on our planet. Let's take a look at some of the most devastating disasters that have been caused by global warming. Firstly, hurricanes have become more frequent and intense due to warmer sea temperatures. In 2017, Hurricane Harvey caused catastrophic flooding in Texas, with over 100 deaths and $125 billion in damages. The following year, Hurricane Maria devastated Puerto Rico, causing over 3,000 deaths and $90 billion in damages. Secondly, flooding has become more severe due to rising sea levels and increased rainfall. In 2018, Kerala, India experienced the worst flooding in a century, with over 400 deaths and $4 billion in damages. In the same year, Hurricane Florence caused widespread flooding in the Carolinas, with over 50 deaths and $24 billion in damages. Thirdly, wildfires have become more frequent and intense due to hotter and drier conditions. In 2018, the California wildfires destroyed over 1.5 million acres of land, caused 100 deaths and $3.5 billion in damages. In Australia, the 2019-2020 bushfire season was the worst on record, with over 46 million acres burned and 34 deaths. Finally, droughts have become more severe due to higher temperatures and changes in precipitation patterns. In 2011, the drought in Texas was the worst in history, causing over $10 billion in damages and widespread agricultural losses. In Cape Town, South Africa, a severe drought in 2018 almost caused the city to run out of water. So, what can we do to mitigate the effects of these disasters? Firstly, we can reduce our greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to renewable energy sources and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. We can also reduce our water consumption and promote sustainable land management practices to prevent soil erosion and deforestation. Additionally, we can invest in early warning systems and disaster preparedness measures to minimize the impact of natural disasters. In conclusion, the disasters caused by rising global temperatures are a wake-up call for all of us. We need to take urgent action to reduce our carbon footprint and adapt to the changing climate if we want to avoid even more devastating consequences in the future.